Okay, Kamnimo everyone. So today I'm going to break down Aoh Anom oLum by Anom Ongyal Tshring. Right. So today I'm going to break down the intro melody, that this one. Pokado ajuk melody are worms nyethoba along with the chords and you can play along. So worm re in the key of G major kani, right? G major along with the chord as follow: E minor, C and D. So first let's learn this part. To play this melody, that intro melody to कसरी kind of play गर्छु भन्दा चाहिँ first open string second, after that second third fret ka kind of buka cha, then after that फेरि one more time open, after that third string second fret फेरि open, after that open फेरि one more time. अभी तो play, we have to play. Okay, so first step, very simple. Okay, and after that one more time same. Second time re we have to play fourth string second fret. Okay, so if we put all together, so it will hear like this, it will sound like this. Right, very simple. At that first at that play garera, and after that we have to play this note, C note. Arere ka huncha भने चाहिँ fifth fret sa third string, sorry, fifth string sa third fret. है यो आरी बजाइन र कहिले C बुक्छ. Okay, and after that after that C बजेर C बुक्छु, अनि त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ कसरी बजायो हैन ल. Okay, after that C बजाउनु पर्यो. C बजेर C बुक्न रे अलिकति माथि फ्लिक स्थान पर्यो ल. त्यतिको नि C, then slide third string long, that could mean C. After that third strings along bukachu, right? C, right? If you put all together, it will sound like this. C, फेरि, and last करे before original song came, so right, C बजेर C after you play C and this and at the slide, and at the last you have to play. अरे का भन्दा चाहिँ last first string sa 9 कति हो यो 7 8 9 10 fret का 12 long actually, and after that kaisa worm आइन्छ okay intro de nare melody play matha time re melody arido play hundio sorry chord re G E C and D अतेको नि है C D G अतेको नि C G and after that re kai worm re it will begin. Okay, so first nansa part ka Aoh Anom. Okay, Aoh Anom, oLum subhanallah. Are two times right we have to play. So chord re G major sana E right. First play garcha bhanje Aoh Anom, oLum subhanallah. Aoh Anom, oLum subhanallah. Boli bare E major kind of we have to play. Okay, E major. One more time. Oh, no, 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 no. Bu ore alim go, bu ore alim, bu ore alim go thik bo bosho. That time kare C, D, and G. Adet kap ni ari bo. Okay. One more time. Alright. First guitarist you can play. Second guitarist what they can play is like through bar chord. Most of the time I see him play bar chord. C D adet kupla. Second guitarist they strong pattern. The chord तब दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Okay, first verse side Aoh Anom oLum subhanallah we will learn. Okay. oLum subhanallah. Aoh Anom oLum subhanallah. Ore alim go gongo tiku bosho. Okay, first Aoh Anom oLum subhanallah. This part, right? Let's see. In this part, so first G center E, G center E. After that C, D, and G. You have to play. Right? String pattern re. Alum matno kai bugatcho. Right? Pause matno. Kai na up stroke la kai na bugatcho. Okay. One thing bare we you have to sing like you have to do like bare si right? First part ni. So if you play along with the song, so it will read like this. Enter G, E minor, G, strong pattern, C, अरे second verse kala are the same do pattern ye to pa G sener E then C D Aoh Anom oLum sutha khushungo la ore part kara are same do ni and la okay
khushungo Aoh oLum sutha khushungo
C
ore kusumbo nyengo tipu bosho
C
ore kusumbo nyengo tipu bosho
atet kup ni ade first verse kare G E then say ore na sho and if some of you can know how to play the bar chord, you can play through bar chord only. Shumano Gogongre, most of the time, whenever I see Ongyal performing, so he used this kind of chord. Sorry, G major do bar chord ka. So I see him like playing like through like this. Right? G do ni, and instead of C he you use this bar C. Original bar chord C but I saw him playing like this. You can play through like this, okay? Sorry, let's C ni D. Okay. One thing about it. C. You can play are C do and D are D do chord okay and beach ka music part kare very G mate G sanare G C D are combination ka to play gareko cha hai don't get confused. I see though instead of this I'm using this, okay? Second part color same the chord ni same abeng shooted ke
Aoh abrang resute lomka sita chunna dong shuli shete lomka sita chunna dong shuli shete anom gore lundam kyong anom gore
lungdam kyong mo so lungdam re lingdong libu abi zongbu sa seliang kat ni to pa lungdam re gore lungdam kyong obiti ko small gong balasi se sen di na not sure obiti ko small gong lati not sure adet kapi same
obiti ko small gong lati not sure
this part ka ki what I heard is like ye bazaar se na nare ari not birthday mat ari not I'm just hearing so G senare ari you can play like this, okay? Ari G shape ka to abi ari fifth ka no play mat ka after that C and D and G, right? Okay. After that the sukmut fifi ari part color umla same dai hai last ka titi sa
Ibam rumi tengkon mulonge Tinglong patu kuncho kampa kesu tinglong bole Tinglong patu kuncho kampa kesu tinglong bole lemma muntra Rumi lepcha Adom suk lemma muntra Azong pilok shiba punglong Azong pilok shiba punglong Lelon mo Ko are sembonyan goti bosyo Ore sembonyan goti bosyo Ore sembonyan goti bosyo Ore sembonyan goti bosyo Azong pilok shiba punglong Lelon mo.
Okay, are breakdown ni are breakdown ni Aoh Anom oLum subana bosai. So within this song you can play through melody prakaram you can play while singing. Aoh Anom oLum subana nebo ore kusumanyan kote bosyo. This kind of you can play and you can sing, right? And the last part ka are raisa ending la. Are po are kusum bonyan gotik bobosya kare season and dinner to saka sala are bomre. C D C D last one G ka do saka sa right. So atitit ni ari bomre very simple. So this was the breakdown of Aoh Anom oLum subana by Ongyal Tshring sa. If you don't understand then so repeatedly you can go through this video, right? Okay, so thank you very much, thank you for watching, so bye.